Okay, hello everybody, this is a video to show the community of the UMIDIGI Z Pro, the camera fault I had. People have been asking how I did it and stuff. I've got two Z Pros, one I'm using to film actually, and right, let's start. Okay, we've got two tiny screws here, if it'll focus, there you go. They're Torx pieces, little bits. I'm not 100% sure on the size, they just need to come out. And then get some sort of plastic tool, pry bar, to get in and around the edge of the screen. This was easier last time I didn't. There you go, it's popping open. Oh, that's why, forgot to, I'm a dumbwit. Hold on, I'll just pause it a minute. Okay, what I forgot to do there was take out the SIM tray. Dopey fool. Right, I'll make it a bit easier. Oh, it's coming out now. And here's another problem I had with the power button. On the other, well, there's the camera module, and buttons are falling out. Right, see here, my power button hasn't got the plastic black all the way across. This part here, I have to put tape over to get the button to work. The outer part of the button fell off when I was putting it back together. There's the camera unit, and use the buttons. All I did is put some small bits of foam, which is, I've got this stuff here, strip of foam, cut in very small pieces and put around the edges to stop the camera doing this. Right, I'll pause it for a minute and show you.